Hey tubers, M4 here, and today we're going to go show y'all a little sneak peek of the new body I put on my stock car, or my hobby stock. But first, let's get a little hot start action on the Power Wagon here. Just to be that guy. Hot start, 210 degrees setting. Yeah. It's hot in New Mexico. Plus his motor's old and worn out and dilapidated, but got my other one to put in here, so. See. Any pedal pumping? See if she'll try it without anything. Nope. Couple pumps. Oh yeah. Oh, and I wired the tack. And even the light. You guys can see the light in there? Maybe. Yep, light works. Alright, tubers, we'll be back. Here she is, tubers. Yeah. Exhaust work.
You taking a video?
Yep. Sure am. Oh yeah. Car's skirted all the way around. These aren't the wheels and tires I'm going to run, but...
When are you bringing the wheels and tires?
That was supposed to happen today, but I called my dad and he was caught up in shit, so he told me to go up tomorrow morning. So, oh yeah. There's a lot of junk in here we gotta clean out. Mount the seat up. Move my kill switch. '78 Monte Carlo roof and quarter.
79.
79, whatever. Okay, late 70s Monte Carlo roof and quarters. These are 80s cutlass doors. And these are 79 cutlass fenders, I believe. And an 80s Pontiac hood. Is that a Pontiac or a Buick hood, Gary?
Buick.
Buick hood. 80s Buick.
It's either a Buick or Grand Prix.
Yeah, either a Buick or Pontiac Grand Prix. Either way, a G body hood. Yes, sir. Had to extend the decking. Added a couple bars in it. Oh yeah. We got some plastic to put down yonder. And we're in the process of exhaust. So my buddy Gary's doing right now. Oh yeah. He's the one that's helped me with this project. Doing all the welding. Just because I haven't MIG welded in quite a while. Don't know how good my welding skills still are. Don't want to find out on any of my structural stuff. There she is. My hobby stock. Or street stock, whatever you want to call them. Show you some more here. Put some sheet metal out towards the firewall. So this is all filled in. They were complaining about that with the previous body. this side, we added wheel wells so the mud doesn't stick to the tail piece. Did the same thing over here. There's some more aluminum.
Plastic up there.
Well, there's aluminum on it around the bars.
Oh,
yeah, there's my motor. Trash bag over the air cleaner because it's being stored outside. Welded the doors and fenders together. Bolted the doors to the quarters. Then we did this, which was pretty cool. Stuck an 80s metric bumper on top of our tail. So now we got a bumper. Hell yeah! Oh. Added some sheet metal over the B pillars to act as a sort of an imitation of a window, a tinted window. Oh yeah. Some more sheet metal here just to fill the dash into the door. More door bolts. The other side of the deck we extended all the way down. So she has come a long way since the last time y'all have seen her. We took that god-awful body off of it, stuck this thing on it. Here's some of the... This is just part of some of the stuff that came off of it. Most of it went to scrap, but... Here's the old roof. So there's an update on the hobby stock, street stock, stock car. I still call them hobbies. That was the name of our division a couple years ago, with hobby stock, and that's the way they were named forever. And just recently, in the past couple years, they changed the name to street stock, but I still consider them to be a hobby stock car. So next video you'll see of it. She'll be painted. She'll be lettered. Have the numbers and all the decals put on it. And then the rest of the videos of it will probably be at the racetrack. So, figured I'd give you all an update. And Gary. See y'all.